Assalamualaikum, my friends. Everyone is back again with channel Gampung Billy Arun. You always ask the original Rumoh Geudong, what was this like Rumoh Geudong before it was burned? Support this channel, hopefully it is useful, and share the video of Rumoh Geudong so that many people know about the Rumoh Geudong model, Pidie. The following is a summary of the Rumoh Geudong event based on historical background. Rumoh Geudong is a traditional Achenese house owned by nobles, Uli Balang, from Pidie named Ampon Raja Lamkuta. This house was built around 1818. This house has a historical role of struggle against the Dutch invaders and also the Japanese occupation. Conflict and military operations. During the Aceh conflict period, especially during the enactment of the Military Operations Area, DOM, between 1989 to 1998, Rumoh Geudong was made headquarters prisoners by military apparatus, including Kopassus. There was also a torture of civilians suspected of being involved in the Free Aceh movement, GAM. Many victims were detained without a clear legal process. Types of torture and impact forms of physical torture: beating, hung, shocked, including vital tools, soaked in dirty water, revocation of freedom rights, and violence against women. Psychological torture also occurs: terror through loud music to cover the screams of victims, intimidation, forced identity.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, Ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah, Hayya ala as-salah, Hayya ala al-falah, qad qamat as-salah.
Examination, widespread fear. Many families of the victims suffered family members forcibly, disappearing without clarity. Disclosure and handling of human rights. After the revocation of DOM status on August 7, 1998, the Rumoh Geudong case began to get public attention and human rights institutions. Komnas HAM conducted an investigation, including excavation around the location, and found evidence such as blood spots, bone flakes, hair, body pieces, and torture tools. However, until now, some victims have felt they have not gained full justice. Not all perpetrators have been tried, there is no certainty of punishment, and some physical evidence or buildings have been lost or damaged. Memory and memorialization situations. Many people consider Rumoh Geudong as a symbol of collective wounds and memory for the people of Aceh. But there is a controversy about how this site is treated. The rest of the building, debris, walls, even stairs, many have been damaged or destroyed. There are concerns about historical lapidity if the site is not preserved or maintained. The government has recognized Rumoh Geudong as one of the events of gross human rights violations in Aceh. If you want, I can find a summary of the contents of the video, specifically what is delivered in the video. If there is a transcript or video analysis, I want to find.